Mommy, I feel hot.
Oh no, you are burning up! Leo, come quickly!
Stay calm, Emma. Let me check her temperature. It is too high. We must go to the hospital now.
Hospital? Oh, sweetie. I have her bag. Let's hurry.
We are almost there, Lily. Hang in there.
Help! My daughter has a very high fever!
Don't worry, little one. You'll be feeling better very soon.
It tastes like strawberries.
Look, Leo, her fever is finally down.
I feel much better now.
Take care of her and make sure she rests at home.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
Thank you for taking care of me, Mommy.
We will always be here for you, Lily.